y'all. I just created these.
Hey YouTube. So as y'all can see by the title, I'm going to be showing y'all exactly how I made my junk purse. So just keep on watching. So this is the purse that I used. I got this from Amazon. You could really use any purse you want. Everything that I'm showing y'all now in these clips will be linked below in the description box. I got all of this stuff off of Amazon. So yeah, I have been in my art girl bag. Like, I'm a very creative person just naturally, but I was like, I seen, I don't know what's the girl's name on Instagram. I'll definitely try to insert my inspiration somewhere on this video. But yeah, I seen her make something similar to this. I was like, you know what? I want to make my own version. So I got on Amazon. I just ordered a whole bunch of cute little keychains. The little 8-ball with the cherry was so cute. The balloon dog, super cute. I don't know the specific brand or like who started this like company or whatever, but yeah, had to get that. Of course, I had to get Hello Kitty. I'm literally obsessed with Hello Kitty. I don't know what Hello Kitty has been doing to me lately, but every time I see Hello Kitty, I'll be like, oh my God. And of course, I had to put this colorful flower on it. I forgot the name of the flower. I feel like so lame for not knowing the name, but yeah, I had to put it on there. And I just ordered a whole bunch of like buttons and stuff just to like make my junk purse really pop, make it really trendy, really it girlish, you know. So yeah, what I did was I just went ahead and picked out everything that I knew for a fact that I wanted to put on my bag. It was a lot. It was a lot, honestly. It was hard to choose which pins really like described me, but I narrowed it down because I had over like 100 something pins. I love these pins right here. Girls just want to have fun. Like, I just really wanted, like, when people to see my junk bag, my junk purse, because it's not a bag, it's a purse, okay? No, for real. But I just wanted people to be like, oh my God, that's so cute. I'm obsessed with Powerpuff Girls too, so I had to get some Powerpuff Girls buttons. Yeah, I really wanted this to be like a very like feminine, but still kind of grunge, still kind of edgy purse. Reason why I got black, you can get whatever color you want. I wanted black just because I was pretty sure, like, I just wanted to be able to wear with everything, so I just got a black purse. And the thing I love about this purse is that it's adjustable, so I can have a strap really, really long, or I can have a strap really, really short. I'm adjusting it to be more of like a shoulder bag because I didn't want it to be like a saddle bag, of course. So I adjusted the straps. Of course, my nephew come in while I'm recording, asking for my pins and stuff. Like, boy, this is not for you. But I let him pick out some pins. But yeah, y'all can adjust the straps however which way y'all like it. And make sure, you take everything out of the bag. So it'll just be easier for you to attach the pins and stuff. And it gave difficult, okay? I'm not gonna lie. This was not as easy as it looked because this purse was actually very good quality. It wasn't a cheap purse. I think it was like $25, which honestly is not that bad. But it was very thick. So I'm like, dang, like I was really hoping that, my pins actually went through. But everything worked out, as y'all can see. So just keep on watching. But yeah, just be careful because a lot of this stuff is like super sharp, like I don't want y'all sticking y'all little pretty hands. But yeah, so this is me basically like starting to put all the pins and the buttons and stuff on there and really just seeing like how I wanted to look. Honestly, I highly recommend y'all just go ahead and opening all of your buttons and stuff because literally every button was like packaged separately, so it was kind of tedious. So I just went ahead and took everything out of the bag before I continued on with trying to attach them to my purse. So yeah, once I got that done, I just went ahead back and just started like rearranging and seeing like how I really wanted this junk purse to be like created. Like, I just didn't want to just be like, oh, I'm just putting pins here and there. Like, no, I was really like analyzing and brainstorming like where I wanted each pin to sit, because I really wanted to put a lot of intention into it, you know, just being creative. Like, I just didn't want it to look like it was thrown together. So yeah, and if you have like a buckle like mine, I would just recommend pulling the buckle down so that you know where to put your pins, because I didn't put any pins under my buckle. So I just went ahead and put it down, and then I just started adding my pins so I'll know where exactly the pins will sit. But yes, y'all, don't sleep on this, okay? Like, this was actually really fun, honestly. Like, I grew up loving like arts and crafts and just like making custom stuff, like just building different stuff and just being creative. Honestly, like, I had so much fun making this purse, and like, yeah, I was super excited to wear it. But just take your time, honestly, because like I said, this purse, the pleather, because this not real leather, but the pleather on this purse was thick, okay? Some of the it took some strength, you know, some little elbow grease to really get them pins in there. And I wanted it to make sense. I didn't want it to be too surface level, but I still wanted to just make sure that all the pins were like secure and that they were actually going to stay. The pins, the buttons, because I have pins and then I also have buttons as well. Like this Bubbles, Powerpuff Girls Bubbles button, like the buttons, they were really small. So that's what kind of made it a little bit more difficult to like really like put them on there. But I just had to just focus and really just take my time. But they were so small. I'm like, dang, like this, it was kind of hard. But of course I was not going to give up, because my junk purse was going to have to really slay. So I just took my time. I stabbed myself a few times, I'm not going to lie. Like, I really did. But it was okay. And then sometimes, you know, I put some pins on there and I was like, nah, that don't look right. So don't think that, you know, you put a pin on there and it's permanent. No, you could literally take it off and just rearrange it. Like, you want to make it make sense. And then of course, my mama calling me. This was actually Thanksgiving Day that I decided to record this video. But my mama was calling me like, hey, where y'all at? And I'm like, girl, I'm right here making my junk purse. Like, what's up? Is the food done? Is the food done? But yeah, nah, like, she ended up hanging up on me. But yeah, just make sure, like, you know, before you actually place the pin on there, that you like the ways, like, where it's going to sit, like if it's going to make sense. So yeah, y'all, just keep on watching this video. If you like this video, make sure y'all subscribe, because I will be dropping a lot more just like DIYs or DIY. I don't know. Is it do it yourself? DIYs, yeah. Showing you how to just do little cute little different stuff. This was super easy, honestly. Like, don't get me wrong, like putting the pins in was hard, but honestly, like, I was probably done with this purse in like probably like an hour. And that might seem like a long time to some people, but yeah, like for me to have done this in an hour, like, you definitely have to be a little bit crafty. You know what I'm saying? Like, them people who feel like they're not creative, like I feel like you can still do this. You just have to like really put your mind to it. Because honestly, all I did was buy some pens and bought a purse and some keychains, and boom, now I got a little custom purse that I can walk around the city wearing. Everybody gonna be like, where you get that purse from? And I'm gonna be like, girl, I made it. Okay, I made it. But no, for real, back to the purse. As you can see, it's coming along beautifully. It's coming along beautifully. It is taking me a long time to put these pins on here, but again, it's all about just taking your time. Like, you don't want to rush this, I'm telling you, because then it's gonna look rushed. It's gonna look like, you know, you was an amateur, you didn't know what you was doing, you just watched a YouTube video. Like, just take your time. Like, make it a thing. You know what I'm saying? Get all your pins out. Get your purse. This is something that you could do with your best friend. Look, I literally just gave you an idea. Get your best friend. Y'all buy everything that y'all need off my Amazon list. It will be linked down below. I already told y'all that. And you and y'all best friend, y'all get together and y'all do this. Okay? I want to see it. Drop it in the comments. So I want to see it, okay? Tag me on Instagram, tag me on Facebook, wherever y'all gonna post it. Tag me so I can see y'all junk purses because I really want to see it. You and your bestie. It's done. You and your bestie are making matching junk purses before the end of 2024. And you better tag me. Instagram is They Call Her Gigi. Okay? Just like the YouTube handle. But yeah, I'm really just putting the last finishing touches on this bag. Honestly, I feel like I could have put like way more buttons on my purse. But at the same time, I was like, okay, I didn't want it to look too crazy. Like, I wanted it to still flow and be cute, but I didn't want it to look like, you know what I'm saying? And then, bam, this where we at. This where we at right now. I'm super excited. Like, look at that girl, just want to have fun. Like, free spirit. Oh, my God, girl power. So now it's time for me to finish putting on the keychains. All the little, like, chain accessories that I put on, those are actually keychains. And boom, like, that is just so cute. Y'all can't tell me that's not cute. Like, if you don't think it's cute, you just a hater. It's super cute. Like, whether you a little girl or, you know what I'm saying, you somebody my age. You know what I'm saying? I mean, I'm still kind of childish at heart, so I like stuff like this. But I feel like a little girl, somebody in high school, somebody in middle school, like, even a grown woman, like, this is your style, I feel like you could pull it off. My sister was like, it's not really my style, so I really wouldn't wear nothing like that, because I asked her if she wanted one, and she was like, no. I didn't put no pins on the back because I'm like, that don't make sense. But yeah, this is how I styled my junk purse, y'all. Like, yes, I posted these on Instagram. Super cute and simple, just some chill shit, you know what I'm saying? But honestly, that's the end of this video, y'all. I'm literally obsessed with this purse. Like, if you see me in the street and you see me with this purse, know that is me. Know that is real, for real. Like, look at that. I love it because I made it. And honestly, I just appreciate y'all for literally staying to the end of this video and watching it. So, hope to catch y'all in my next video. Bye.